It's the ambient air monitoring program. So we had multiple different monitors in there. We actually got rid of 2 PM10 monitors, and we're installing a continuous one, so it reads all day long, 24 hours a day. And so that gives us real-time data instead of collecting a sample every 6 days. This one here at the fairgrounds, it's getting all the pollution, I guess you could say, from, the highways in the major city here. So our network in general, we have sites all around, but this is the most centrally located in Columbus here. Step outside, take a breath of fresh air. You want to take a breath of fresh air. So, we're tracking what goes on in the city. Air quality, it's a huge deal, and it's definitely progressing quickly into better information, better technologies. So this is a step in the right direction for Columbus.